Hi friends, welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. Today our concept is calendars. Now let's discuss what are the questions that can be asked in this chapter. Now as far as recruitment test is concerned, you can expect a question from calendars in competitive exams. Now let's start with the first question. The first question, what is the maximum number of years a person has to wait to celebrate his birthday? Now generally we know that celebrate our birthday every year, but there are some people who do not celebrate their birthday year on year. Like if a person is born on February 29th, definitely he will be celebrating his birthday after every 4 years. Now then what is the answer for this question? What is the maximum number of years a person has to wait to celebrate his birthday? Now we know that we get a leap year after every 4 years. Now according to the concept of calendars, what is the starting date of the calendar? That is, when the calendar was prepared, what was the reference date? It was 1/1/0001 and the day was on Monday. When the calendar was prepared, this date and day is taken into consideration to prepare the calendar, and we know that we get a leap year after every 4 years. So 4th year, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96. Now all these years are leap years. Now talking about 100th year, according to the concept of calendars, 100th year is not a leap year. Again 104th year is a leap year, 108th year is a leap year, 112th year is a leap year and so on, 192, 196, 200th year is also not a leap year. Again 204th year is a leap year, 208 and so on, 292, 296, 300th year is also not a leap year. Again 304th year is a leap year, 308th year is a leap year and so on, 392, 396, 400th year is a leap year. So when I talk about these centuryth years, that is 100th year, 200th year, 300th year, 400th year and so on, the centuryth years which are multiples of 400 are leap years. All the other centuryth years are non-leap years. So if a person celebrated his birthday on 29th February 1896, which is a leap year, actually he should celebrate his birthday after 4 years, that is in the year 1900. But according to the concept of calendars, 1900th year is not a leap year. Again 1904th year is a leap year. So we clearly see here how many years is he waiting to celebrate his birthday. The answer is 8 years. So the answer for this question is, what is the maximum number of years a person has to wait to celebrate his birthday? Answer is 8 years. Now let us discuss the next question in this chapter. The second question, in which year can the calendar of the year 2010 can be used once again immediately? The question is, if suppose we have a calendar of the year 2010 and we want to use this calendar once again, then in which year can we use this? Now what is the concept behind using a calendar once again? What is the condition that I have to use this calendar 2010 once again? Is all the dates and days should be same, or in another words, 1st January 2010 should be same as, that is, on which day does this 1st January 2010 fall? 1st January 2010 falls on Friday. Now we need not know this day, we can take any day. Now I can use this calendar once again if 1st January of any particular year after 2010 falls on Friday. Now to tell the answer for this, there are two methods. One is directly you have a shortcut, or you can tell the answer in a general way. Now first let us discuss how to tell the answer for this question in a general way. To tell the answer for this, one small basic point. If suppose I say 1st January of a non-leap year is Monday, then 1st January of the next year falls on. Now you must know this point to answer this question without using the shortcut. If 1st January of a non-leap year is Monday, then 1st January of the next year falls on. Obviously, it falls on Tuesday. If suppose I say 1st January of a leap year is Monday, then 1st January of the next year falls on, it is Wednesday. Now these are the 2 points which we must know to answer this question without using any shortcut, that is in a general way. If 1st January of a non-leap year is Monday, then 1st January of next year falls on Tuesday. If 1st January of a leap year is Monday, then 1st January of next year falls on Wednesday. If suppose I say 1st January of a non-leap year is Thursday, then what is the 1st January of next year? Obviously it should be on Friday. Or if I say 1st January of a leap year is Saturday, then 1st January of next year should be on Monday. Now let us try to answer this question step by step using this point. Now 1st January 2010 falls on Friday. Now 2010 is a non-leap year and I want to use this calendar once again. So in which year can I use this? If 2010 is a non-leap year, then 1st January 2011 should fall on Saturday. 1st January 2012 should fall on Sunday. 1st January 2013 should fall on 1st January 2013 should fall on Tuesday because 2012 is a leap year. Now 2014 1st January falls on Wednesday. 2015 1st January falls on Thursday. 2016 1st January falls on Friday. 2017 1st January falls on Sunday because once again 2016 is a leap year. 2018 1st January falls on Monday. 2019 1st January falls on Tuesday. 2020 1st January falls on Wednesday. 2021 1st January falls on Friday. Now 2020 is a leap year, so 2021 1st January should fall on Friday. Now if you look carefully here, I want to use the calendar of the year 2010 once again immediately. In which year can I use this? Now if you see here 1st January 2010 is on Friday. We can also see here that 1st January 2016 also falls on Friday. But can I use this 2010 calendar in 2016? Obviously no, because 2010 is a non-leap year and 2016 is a leap year. A non-leap year calendar cannot be used in leap year. So in which year can we use? 2010 calendar once again can be used in the year 2021. Because 2010 is a non-leap year, 2021 is also non-leap year. So the answer for this question will be 2021. This is how you can tell the answer for this question in a general way. Now, how to tell the answer for this question? By using shortcut. But there is some condition that we need to apply while using the shortcut. Now, generally we have 4 types of years. The first one is the year which is in the form of 4n. When I say 4n, 4n is nothing but all the years which are multiples of 4. Now, the calendar of the year which is in the form of 4n, that is leap years, can be used after every 28 years, except the year which is a century year and it is not a leap year. Next, the next one is the year which is in the form of 4n plus 1. When I say 4n plus 1, that number when I divide with 4, remainder should be 1, or when I talk with respect to year, it should be the year which comes immediately after leap year. Now, the calendar of the year which is in the form of 4n plus 1 can be used after every 6 years. After 4n plus 1, we have 4n plus 2 and 4n plus 3. Now, the calendar of the year which is in the form of 4n plus 2 and 4n plus 3 can be used after every 11 years. Obviously, after 4n plus 3 we come again across 4n. So, if you can remember these 3 numbers, you can tell the answer directly. Now, I want to use the calendar of the year 2010 once again. Now, 2010 is in which form? Now, 2010 is in the form of 4n plus 2 because 2008 is a leap year. Now, I can use this calendar after 11 years. So, 2010 plus 11, it's 2021. So, you get the answer directly. Now, what is the drawback in this shortcut? There is a simple drawback, but you don't find that drawback asked in the questions in exam. That is, you can apply this shortcut if you do not come across any centuryth year in between these years. That is, I cannot apply this logic if a centuryth year which is not a leap year comes in these years, that is in between these years. If not, directly you can use this shortcut and you can tell the answer for the question. Now, let us go for the next question in this chapter. The next question, 12th June 1980 falls on which day? That is, the question is, if we are given a date, how to tell on which day does it fall? Now, to tell the answer for this question, there are some basic points that we must know. Now, the basic points are, the first thing is you must know odd days. Now, what do you mean by odd days? The days which cannot be converted into weeks are odd days. Let's take a small example. A non-leap year has how many odd days? Let's try to find out a non-leap year has how many odd days. Now, a non-leap year has 365 days. In this 365 days, we have 52 weeks, and 52 weeks make 364 days plus 1. Now, this is the odd day. So, a non-leap year has 1 odd day. The next point, leap year. Now, a leap year has how many odd days? Generally, a leap year has 366 days. It has 52 weeks. 52 weeks make 364 days plus 2. So, a non-leap year has 1 odd day and a leap year has 2 odd days. Now, if you look into the months of the year, January, the month January has 31 days. In this 31 days, we can make 4 weeks, 7 4s 28, and 3 days are remaining. Those 3 are odd days. So, the month January has 3 odd days. February has 0 or 1. If it is a non-leap year, it is 0. If it is a leap year, it is 1. March has 3 odd days because March has 31 days. April has 2 odd days. In the month April, we have 30 days. In that 30 days, we can make 4 weeks. 7 4s 28 and 2 days are remaining. Those two are odd days. So April has 2 odd days. May has 3 odd days. June 2 odd days. July 3 odd days. August 3. September 2. October 3. November 2 and December 3. Now these are odd days. Now our question is, we need to find out 12th June 1980 falls on which day. We know that our calendar has started from 1/1/0001, which is on Monday. Now to tell the answer for this question, we have to find out the odd days from 1/1/0001 till 12th June 1980. If we can tell how many odd days are there, definitely we can tell the answer for this question in a very simple way. Now let's start with some basic points, some more basic points what we must know. Now first of all, let us try to find out how many odd days are there in the first 100 years. When I say in the first 100 years, it's from 1/1/0001 till 31st December 100th year. Let us try to find out how many odd days are there. Now we are going to find out how many odd days are there in the first 100 years. When I say first 100 years, it's from 1/1/0001 till 31st December 100th year. Now in this 100 years, we have totally 24 leap years. Now why I say 24 leap years, why not 25? Because this 100th year is not a leap year. Already we have discussed this. So in the first 100 years, we have 24 leap years, and each leap year has 2 odd days. Plus, out of these 100 years, if 24 are leap years, all the other years are non-leap years, which are 76, and each non-leap year has 1 odd day. Now if I calculate this, it is 48 plus 76, which is 124. But according to the definition of odd days are the days which cannot be converted into weeks, but clearly I can convert 124 days into weeks just by dividing with 7. 7 1 7, 54, 7 7 is 49, remainder is 5. So in the first 100 years, we have 5 odd days. Now logically speaking, when I say there are 5 odd days till the first 100 years, that is till 31st December 100th year, if we have 5 odd days, then 31st December 100th year should fall on which day? Now we know that our week starts with Monday and ends with Sunday. So every week first day is Monday, last day is Sunday. When I say till 31st December 100th year, I have 5 odd days. It means that before these 5 days, it should be a weekend. And these 5 days, again they start to form a week starting from Monday. So 31st December 100th year should fall on which day? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 31st December 100th year, according to the calendar, should fall on Friday. Now we know that the first 100 years have 5 odd days. Then (200) years have how many odd days? If 100 years have 5 odd days, definitely 200 years should have 5 plus 5, 10 odd days. But in that 10 days, again we can make a week. So from that 10 days, if I remove 7 days, we are left with 3 days. So the first 200 years will have 3 odd days. Now when I say the first 200 years, it is till 31st December 200th year, we have 3 odd days. So according to the calendar, 31st December 200th year should fall on Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 odd days. Now let us find out 300 years have how many odd days? If 100 years have 5 odd days, 300 years should have 15 odd days. But in that 15 days, we can make 2 weeks. and we are left with 1 day. So 300 years have 1 odd day. So according to the concept of calendars, 31st December 300th year should fall on Monday. Now 400 years have how many odd days? If 100 years have 5 odd days, 400 years should have 20 odd days. 5 fours are 20. But this 400th year according to the calendar is a leap year. 100th year, 200th year, 300th year are not leap years, but 400th year is a leap year. So 100 years have 5 odd days, 400 years should have 20 odd days plus 1. So totally it comes to 21. All 21 days we can make into weeks. So 400 years will have 0 odd days. So according to the calendar, 31st December 400th year should fall on Sunday. Now there is one important question that can be asked in competitive exams. Now when I say 400 years have 0 odd days, definitely 500 years should have 5, 600 years should have 3, 700 years should have 1, 800 years should have 0. That is, after every 400 years odd days become 0. Now the question that can be asked in competitive exams is, based upon this point, is which of the following days can be the starting date of a century? Which of the following days can be the starting day of a century? So we know that a century ends with Friday, Wednesday, Monday or Sunday. So definitely a century should begin with Saturday, Thursday, Tuesday or Monday. Now this is a question that can be asked. Now let's come back to our problem. 12th June 1980 falls on which day? So as I told, we have to find out odd days from 110001 till 12th June 1980. Now let's start solving the problem. Now the first step is, we are going to find out odd days for the years which are completed. Now according to the question, we are in the year 1980. So 1979, 1979 years are completed. So first of all, let us try to find out the odd days till 1979. Now when I say 1979, definitely it should be till 31st December 1979. Now for our convenience, I write this as 1600 plus 300 plus 79. Now we know that after every 400 years odd days become 0. So definitely 1600 years should have 0 odd days. 300 years have 1 odd day plus. Now in this 79 years, we have two types of years: leap years and non-leap years. Leap years have 2 odd days, non-leap years have 1 odd day. So let's find out how many leap years are there in this 79 years. So to find leap years, divide 79 with 4. 4 ones 4, 4 nines 36. So in this 79 years, we have 19 leap years and each leap year has 2 odd days. So 19 into 2 plus. Out of these 79 years, if 19 are leap years, definitely all the other years are non-leap years, which are 60. And each non-leap year has 1 odd day. Now calculating this, we get 0 plus 1 plus 38 plus 60, which is 99. But according to the concept of calendars, 99 cannot be odd days. Divide 99 with 7. 7 ones 7, 29, 7 fours 28, remainder is 1. So till 1979, that is till 31st December 1979, we have 1 odd day. So according to the calendar, 31st December 1979 should fall on Monday, 12th June 1980. So now we need to start from 1980, that is from the month January. Now January has 3 odd days, February has 1 odd day because 1980 is a leap year. March has 3 odd days, April has 2 odd days. May has 3 odd days. June has 5 odd days. Now you may be wondering how it is 5. We are not talking about complete June. We are talking about only till 12th June. So in these 12 days we have 5 odd days. So 5. Now if I add all this, 3 plus 1 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 5 17. But according to the concept of calendars, 17 cannot be odd days. So what I do is divide this 17 with 7. 7 2s are 14, remainder is 3. So you can see till 31st December 1979 I have 1 odd day, and till 12th June, from 1st January 1980 till 12th June 1980 I have 3 odd days. So total number of odd days are 1 plus 3, which is 4. So till 12th June 1980 we have 4 odd days. So according to the calendar, 12th June 1980 should fall on Thursday. So the answer for this question is Thursday. Now this is a detailed method of solving this problem. Now how can we tell the answer for this question quickly? If you want to tell the answer for this question quickly, there are 2 points that we must know. First point, odd days. That is, when you divide a number with 7, what is the remainder? If you can tell that, that is odd days. Second, divisible by 4 to find leap years. If we can tell this, we need not do these many steps to tell the answer for this question. We can tell the answer quickly. Procedure is same, but we can cut down the number of steps. Now let's see that method. The alternate method, that is quick method to tell the answer for this. First step, as I told you, we have to find out the odd days for the years which are completed. That is, now we are going to find out the odd days till 1979. Now see how I write this. 1979 can be written as 1600 plus 300 plus 79. Now talking about odd days, 1600 has 0, 300 years have 1 odd day, 79 as it is 79 plus 19. Now how did I write this directly? In this 79 years, we have 2 types of years, leap years, non-leap years. A leap year has 2 odd days, non-leap year has 1 odd day. So either a leap year or non-leap year will have at least 1 odd day. So first what did I do is, in all 79 years I counted 1 odd day. Now where do you get the extra odd day? Definitely in leap years. Now how many leap years are there in this 79 years? 19 leap years. So 19 extra odd days. Now divisible by 7. Instead of adding all the values and then dividing with 7 and finding out the remainder, let's divide each and every term with 7, add the remainders, you get the same answer. 1 as it is 1. Now 79 if I divide with 7, remainder is 2. 19 if I divide with 7, remainder is 5. Now again 5 and 2 make a week, so odd days are 1. So till 31st December 1979 we have 1 odd day. Now enter into 1980. January has how many odd days? 3. February 1, March 3. Now if you clearly see 3, 1, 3 make a week, so you need not add it. Next, April has 2 odd days, May has 3 odd days, June has 5 odd days. As I told you, it's only till 12th June, so in 12 days I have 5 odd days. Again, if you look carefully here, 5 and 2 make a week, so totally 1 plus 3. So the total number of odd days till 12th June 1980 is 4. So definitely the answer should be Thursday. Now let's take one more example and solve the problem. Now one more example of the same model. 19th August 1987 falls on which day? The first step, find out the odd days for the years which are completed, that is 1986. Now for our convenience, we write this as 1600 plus 300 plus 86. Now 1600 years have 0 odd days, 300 years have 1 odd day, 86 years have 86 plus. In this 86, how many leap years are there? In this 86 years, we have 21 leap years. Now divide with 7 and add the remainders. 1. If I divide 86 with 7, remainder will be 2. If I divide 21 with 7, remainder is 0. So odd days are 3. So till the year 1986, we have 3 odd days. So according to the calendar, 31st December 1986 should fall on Wednesday. Now enter into 1987. Now 1987 is a non-leap year. January has 3 odd days, February has 0, March has 3, April has 2, May 3, June 2. Now if you look here, 2, 3, 2 I can cancel because they make a week. July 3, August, it's still 19th August. Till 19th August, we have 5 odd days. In 19 days, we have 5 odd days. Now totally if you look here, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. All these 14 days, again they form a week. So I need not add them. So till 19th August 1987, we have totally 3 odd days. So 19th August 1987 should fall on Wednesday. So this is the answer for this question. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe at www.youtube.com/NareshIT.